So that was somebody's car. You need to go get that fixed. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting. So today's video is part 3 of my little haul, makeup haul. I went to 3 different stores. My first video was on Family Dollar products. My second video was on Sephora products, and now this video will be on hair store products. It is still makeup, not hair. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. I got 2 pair of lashes, which Iconic is what they're called. So I'm excited to try these. And I got a bunch of lipsticks that I want to try out. So they're all the same brand. They're called RK by Kiss. And I got 2 eyeliners by RK by Kiss. 24-hour eye define. So I'm going to do something really simple to my eyes really quick. And I don't know if I'm going to use these eyeliners today. Yeah, I will. Okay, so I have done a little bit to my eyes. I've done my eyebrows, which, again, never look good, but it's okay. I'm going to go in with this golden color of eyeliner. Oh, it's a twist up. I didn't think it was, but... So, it's kind of a goldish color. And I'm going to line where I cut my crease. I'm going to start in the middle. It's pretty creamy. I like it. I'll say I like it. It's pretty creamy. It was easy to apply. I like it. I'm going to finish my eyeshadow and I will be back. Okay, so this is the finished look for the eyeshadow. I did my mascara because I'm preparing to put on lashes. We're going to be testing out these lashes today. I don't know which ones. I think I'm going to go with these ones. The Angled and Volume. I'm going to go with these ones today. These are so full. Oh, I'm so excited for these. I don't know why I want to try the lashes. Or the tweezer method, but here we go. It's supposed to be easier. I'm not finding it to be too easy right now. I love the length. Oh my gosh. I love these lashes. I will say I do need to cut a little bit off the ends, but that's cool. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm thinking about the length and all of that, and I love it. Yeah, these definitely need to be chopped a little bit, but it's cool. We ain't going to stress over that because it ain't messing up the look, honestly. I love. I'm going to put a little bit of eyeliner down here, and we're going to get to the rest of the products that I bought. Okay, so we have done some highlighter, and I am ready to test out these lipsticks. I'm super excited. So all of these lipsticks, oh, before I do that, I like the eyeliner. They're very creamy, very easy to work with. I like them. I like the way it looks on this cut crease. I think it turned out really pretty. If I do say so myself. So those are a good thing. They're $2.99 each, which is pretty basic price. I got them from my local hair store, and the eyelashes are $4.99 each. So a very good affordable price. The brand is Iconic Collection, or this is the Iconic Collection from Envy. So I like these lashes. Well, these lashes that I ripped the box to. But yeah, I like them. So I'm excited to try out these ones. The only thing is they are a little long, so I have to cut them. I never have to size my lashes to my eyes. They normally come in my size, so this is the first time that I'm actually having to deal with that issue, but it's not a big deal. I mean, it's pretty normal, pretty basic. So onto this lipstick. So all of these lipsticks are RK by Kiss, and they are $2.99 each. I got 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. I got 8 different colors. They had like 30 colors, but I wasn't trying to spend that much money. So this is what they look like. They're really cute little bullet lipsticks. So I'm just gonna start using them and see what they look like. So I'm gonna go in with this first color. This is called Purple Affair. I'm not a real big purple lipstick wearer, but I'm not opposed to it. You get a pretty good amount of product for $2.99, so that's good to see and to know. I have to say, I like this color. It's really pretty. It doesn't fit this look, but that's okay. I mean, that's not bad, but I wouldn't do this. This is honestly a color that I would ombre with. So I would definitely like do a dark liner and then do like a semi-darker color or a little lighter color and then this color in the middle. So I do like it though. I do like it. I'm happy I bought it. I do like it. Just not with this look. So on to the next color. So on to the next color. This is Spicy Brown. Spicy Brown. I don't own a lot of brown colors. Again, you get a nice amount of product. We're just gonna see what this looks like. These are very creamy. They're mattes, but they're very creamy. I love this color and it works with this look. I love this color. Spicy Brown. This is a beautiful color. This is beautiful on my lips. I love this. I mean, yes, I would need to line my lips because, you know, girl don't want a messy lip, but this is beautiful on my skin. I love it. And I was a little hesitant about getting this color because I was like, who wears brown? Like, that is not even cute. That's a wannabe nude wearing brown. But I like this. It's like a reddish brown. I love it. Spicy Brown. I love it, and it works really well with this color, with this look. But I wouldn't like turn to this because I feel like this is such a bold look that I feel like my lips would have to be a little bit more bold, you know, just a little bit more bold. But I love this color, so I will be reaching for this. I will be reaching for this. Let's move on to the next color. Next, we're going in with Brown Sugar. So this is it looks a little bit lighter. So we're going to go in with this and see how this looks. This might be like the Black Girl Nude. So I'm excited for this one. Okay. I was wrong. This is nowhere near the Black Girl Nude. If I see any black girl walking around with this on her lips, I'm going to be very upset. I like the color. I could see myself lining this. I'm looking for my liner right now, if you can't tell. And wearing this. Give me a second. So this is not the chocolate that I normally use, but let's see how this works. That helped it a little bit, but this just isn't the color that I was looking for. I couldn't find the liner that I was actually looking for. I don't know why I can't find it, but it has just disappeared on me. I could see myself like working it out. I could work it out. I did not expect this color to look like this. I was not expecting that. On to the next one. Next, we're going to go in with Cabaret Orange. Cabaret Orange. I don't wear a lot of orange. The color just never really screams out to me, but let's see. Oh, this is very creamy. Okay. In person, this looks red-orange. On camera, this looks orange-orange. And I like the way that it looks on camera more than I like what it looks like in person. So yeah, I mean, I can't just make it look orange all the time, but I like it. I like the color. I clean it up a little bit and it definitely would work. It would work with this look too, so. But not by itself. Definitely needs a liner. Next, I'm going to go in with Blackism. Blackism. What a name. What a name. Oh, and these are very comfortable on the lips. I'm not wearing them for very long, but they seem like I could wear them all day. They don't seem like they would ever irritate me. The orange one was the most creamy, but they all seem very comfortable. I like it. I like it. I don't think I've ever owned a black lipstick, so I am living for this. I like this, and this goes with this look very well. I like this. This is... I like this. I feel like this color black makes you just turn into a different person. It feels moisturizing, very moisturizing. I like it. I like the way that these feel on my lips. I like this black. Sorry, my camera died. I like this black. It's really comfortable. All of these lipsticks are really comfortable and easy to wear. I feel like I could wear them all day and it wouldn't bother me. I'm into this black. On to the next one. So I wanted to use the black before I did my last colors because I wanted to see if it would stain, and it did not. None of them are staining, so kudos on that. This next color is Grape Fit, and it's pretty dark as well. It's like a dark purple. I love this color. It's really cute. I love this. This is the color I could ombre with the other purple. I could pair these two. Yeah, I love this. Last but not least, this is a blue color, which I don't own much of, but I'm trying to get more of because I love the color blue. So this is called Blue Lagoon. Blue Lagoon. I'm so stupid. Don't mind me, y'all. Do not mind me. I'm gonna get it one day. Get it together, that is. Seems pretty bright, yeah. It's a bit bright, but I could find a look to use this with. I like the color though. It's a bit bright, but I like the color. I love it. I love it. It does not go with this look at all, so I definitely should take it off. So I paired Spicy Brown and Brown Sugar for this look, and I think it works perfect with this eye. I like these lipsticks. I definitely think if you have a local beauty store and they sell this brand, I'm pretty sure they do because I got a couple of these from my sister and I haven't used them yet because I wanted to test them fresh. So it's RK by Kiss. I'm pretty sure that's a hair store brand, so I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find them at your local beauty store. I like them. I think they're really affordable, and it makes it, you know, if you're into lipsticks like that. I'm starting to get into lipsticks. I used to be like really into just my eyes, like for real, but I'm really starting to enjoy playing with my lips and taking care of them and moisturizing them and making them look beautiful. Like, I have really nice shaped lips and I should definitely show it off with color and everything. I'm excited about these lipsticks. I hope you guys like them. I hope you guys liked these past 3 videos. This video and my last 2 was a tiny haul. It was a 3-part haul. And yeah, I really had a lot of fun going through this stuff and showing you guys what I got. And I'm excited to use all this makeup and do new looks and stuff for you guys. And I know that I've been doing a lot more reviews and like haul type videos. And I want to get back to just showing different funky looks and stuff. Like, if you guys want to see how I got this eye look, like in detail, let me know down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. But yeah, I love the products that I bought, the Fenties, the the Too Faced, all the Family Dollar products, these lipsticks from the hair store, the eyeshadows, these lashes. Sorry about that, I had a little knock at the door. So yeah, but if you guys like any of the products that you saw in this video or the last two videos, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know with a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.